Welcome to Behind the Scenes at Bonhill with Apogee. Here you will learn about the services and processes that take place in this space. Learn about large format print today. Print projects that need to go beyond A4 require specialized equipment and expertise to ensure high quality results. A large format printer, often referred to as a wide format printer, is designed for printing on much larger paper sizes than standard printers can handle. These printers are essential for producing large-scale prints such as posters, banners, point-of-sale signage, and technical drawings. Fast, efficient, accurate, and capable of exceptional color accuracy, large format printers are great for making a strong impression with your marketing. And the better quality they are, the more confidence you instill in your products and services. For more information on ODS services, please look at more of our behind-the-scenes reels.